everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, one thing I would like to be very clear with is this video is going to be in English. So to all those people who were asking me to do videos in English, now it's your responsibility to share this video with your friends as much as you can. Okay, so guys, what I found these days was you people are mostly interested in drives with no coding round. So I'm again here with such a round, and this drive is of HCL. Okay, so HCL is Indian MNC. This is kind of short introduction of HCL, though I think you all know about HCL and I don't need to explain so much about HCL, isn't it? So without wasting any time, let's get started with HCL drive. So first, eligibility criteria. So criteria is 60%, at least 60%, sorry, so at least 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation up to pre-final year. So from 10th, 60% should be your marks, at least 60%. If it's more than that, fine. Okay, and second criteria is no active backlog. So no active backlog at the time of interview or at the time of drive. Okay, if you had backlog before and you have now cleared it, then it's okay, you are eligible for this drive. Okay, so this was all about eligibility criteria, nothing fancy. Now let's start with rounds. Okay, so no coding round is there, keep this in mind. Okay, this will kind of keep you motivated and you will watch this video till the end. So yeah, first round is of English. Okay, so there will be 20 MCQs or 20 multiple choice questions which you have to answer in 20 minutes. And guys, this is not online round, this is written test. Okay, so you have to MCQs will be there, so you have to just tick the option, tick the correct option. Okay, so what kind of questions may be asked from English round? So there may be idioms, there may be phrases, there may be comprehensions, there may be synonyms, antonyms, there may be some questions like fill in the blanks, okay, or complete the sentence. Okay, so these kind of questions may be asked from English. So total number of question is going to be 20, which you have to answer in 20 minutes. Okay, 20 question, 20 minutes. Okay, and what about second round? So in second round, they'll check your speaking skills. Okay, but how? By GD or JAM. So JAM is just a minute. So if you are not much familiar with JAM, then let me explain. So see, in JAM or in JAM, let's say, so in JAM you have to pick a number, and according to that the instructor will give you one topic. Okay, he'll give you a topic and he'll give you 30 seconds, only 30 seconds to think about that particular topic. So 30 seconds is for preparing yourself. After that you have to speak on that topic for 1 minute. So 30 seconds for preparation and 1 minute you have to speak. Okay, so this is about JAM. What about GD? GD is something which you already know, so I'm not going to explain. So yes, in GD you are going to have like 10 to 15 people, and if the crowd is so large, then there may be 20 people in a group. So this is something which I thought I should say. Okay, so yes, and for preparation of JAM or GD, I'll say please be updated with current affairs. Okay, whether it be political, whether it be something related to Bollywood, Hollywood, sports, or no matter what. Okay, so please be prepared with current affairs. Okay, so questions are mostly from current affairs. Okay, so this is all about second round. Second round is GD or JAM, not both, either GD or JAM. Okay, now move to third round. So third round is nothing but technical round. So technical interview. Okay, so in technical interview, basically they may ask from like few important topics which I'm going to tell you. So first they'll ask from data structure. So please be very clear with basics of data structure. Okay, second from algorithms, then DBMS, database management system, then operating system, computer networks, then object oriented programming concept, and one programming language of your choice. Okay, so be very clear with at least one programming language. It can be anything, preferably C, but it can be anything. It can be C++, Java, Python, PHP, whatever you like. Okay, so one programming language of your choice, OOPS or object oriented concept, computer networks, data structure, algorithms, and operating system, and DBMS too. Okay, so these 7-8 topics are like hot topics, so you must be prepared with these things. Apart from that, if you get time, please be prepared with as much as you can, okay, with any subject. Okay, so yes, of course, technical. And the last and the final round is HR round. Okay, so HR interview is the final interview round, okay, or the final round for this tribe. So what type of question they may ask? They will ask you, tell something about yourself. This is the like very famous question. This question is something which is asked in every HR interview, isn't it? So tell me something about yourself. This is the question which you should be prepared with. And trust me guys, there is nothing like you will copy my answer or you'll copy someone else's answer. Why I am saying this? Because you are the best person to explain about yourself. You are a different individual, I am a different individual. So if someone asks me to tell something about myself, so I will say about myself and not about the whole community, isn't it? So I'll say about myself. So you are the person who will be the better person or the best person rather to say anything about yourself. So please be very honest with that. Okay, so please be very honest. So it's not like you will say anything just for being honest, you will say anything you want. No, please try to be professional as much as you can and try to focus on those part only. Okay, don't go much into personal details. Okay, and the second question they may ask, why HCL or why you want to join HCL. Okay, so yes, go to HCL websites, description box, check the description box, there I pasted some links. So please go and check those links so that you will be able to understand more about HCL. So they may ask you about HCL. Why? Because if you want to join that company, you must be knowing at least few things about it, isn't it? So please be very clear with that. And third question they may ask about your strength and weakness. Okay, so strength and weakness of yours, it can be anything. Again, this is something which you cannot copy. So HR round is you may consider as very easy or the easiest round, or the difficult round, or most difficult round, sorry, or the most difficult round. So it can be either easiest or the toughest round. Okay, so it's up to you. So how you deliver things is the something which according to which you can say whether HR round is easy or difficult, because there is nothing like preparation, there is nothing like copying the answers. Okay, so you cannot copy anyone else's answer. My strength is something which may not be your strength, your weakness is something which may not be mine. So how can you say my strength is this, and you don't have that quality? And you cannot say my weaknesses are these, and maybe that weakness which you are like deliberating or delivering, sorry, which you are delivering is something you are very good at. Okay, so you are the best person who can judge yourself. So please be very honest with these answers. So be honest with HR round, I'll say. And next question they may ask about your family background, they may ask about your likes, dislikes, they may ask about like how you see yourself after 5 years from now. So this is again a very important question when it comes to HR interview. Okay, so and this question should be answered honestly. Okay, I may see myself at Mars. Okay, I may see myself at Mars in 5 years. So okay, that's kind of crazy, but it's okay, I may see myself there. But it's not like you will also you are also wishing to be at Mars. Okay, so please be very clear, very confident, very patient, and answer honestly when it comes to HR round. So just for summarizing every round or everything, so criteria: 60% in 10th, 60% in 12th, and 60% in graduation up to pre-final year. Okay, next, no active backlog. First round MCQs will be there, 20 MCQs, 20 minutes. Okay, next round either GD or JAM. Third round technical interview, and fourth round is going to be your HR interview. So please check the description box for everything in detail. Okay, and please tell me if you like this video or not in comment section. Okay, so yeah, this kind of motivates me. So please don't forget to share your feedback. Okay, and like this video. Okay, and if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, then follow me now. So this is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye. Love you all.